I've got a quick update for you on two big bank switching deals that are going to end any day now. And with one of them, there's potential to get an extra 100 quid on top of that switching offer as well, if you do act fast. Now, I'm not going to go into all the detail on all of these. If you want the extra information, head over to becleverwithyourcash.com/banks or check out the separate analysis we have over on the YouTube channel. Now, the first one to talk about here ends on Monday, the 31st of March. This is from Nationwide. It is worth 175 quid for the switch, but there is the potential to get another £100 in a couple of months' time. And I'll come back to that quickly. So this deal is open to new and existing customers. So if you've had switching offer money from Nationwide before, you won't get it again this time. If you already have an account, just follow the procedures. If you don't, you open up an account. It has to be the Flex Plus, the Flex Direct, or the Flex account. It's relatively simple then. You need to switch over 2 direct debits from the previous account at a different bank as part of that current account switching service. You need to deposit £1,000 within 31 days, and you need to make 1 debit card transaction as well within 31 days. Once the switch is complete, once those actions have been done, you'll get that money within 10 days, so relatively fast. And remember, with Nationwide, you can get this not just for your personal account, but also for a joint account. It's very rare that this happens. And it doesn't matter if you've had money from a joint account before, but not the personal or vice versa, you can still get the other cash. Obviously, if you've had two lots of money before, you can't get it again. So if you're in a couple here and you've not done it at all, that's potentially 3 lots of £175 you can get. Plus, that extra £100 you might be able to get. For the last couple of years, Nationwide has done something called a fairer share payment. Now, normally customers need to have done a couple of things in January and February and March of the year beforehand. This is assuming the criteria is the same if it returns this year. But if you switch in to Nationwide, to a new account with them, then part of that criteria is gone. The switching in itself qualifies you 90% of the way. The only thing you have to do, so if you are going to switch in, or perhaps you've already switched in this month, open up a savings account and put £100 in it. Now, I can't guarantee the criteria is going to be the same as it has previously, but if you do that and the criteria is the same, that's £100 that is added to your account this summer. The other switching deal that is ending, this one is on Tuesday, the 1st of April, is with Lloyds. Their Club Lloyds account, a much simpler one here, £175 for switching in, although the account itself also gives you access to free Disney Plus and or cinema tickets. You can actually also get a joint account with this one if you want it for the lifestyle benefits, but you can't get an extra switching deal. Now this one, again, relatively simple when it comes to the actual switch itself. Again, you can't have had switching money from Lloyds or Halifax in the past. That will rule you out. And you have to transfer over 3 direct debits, so more than most of the other accounts will do. The account also has to be from a different bank. But other than that, pretty simple, and the money is paid within 3 working days. Remember, head to becleverwithyourcash.com/banks for more details on these offers. My name's Andy Webb. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these videos here for more ways to make the most of your money.